Japan's H3 rocket, preparing for a second launch in February 2024. Welcome to the world of space exploration, where Japan is making significant strides with its H3 rocket. In 2022, we witnessed the maiden voyage of the H3, an event that shook the global space community. Now, the stakes are high as we approach the second launch. Japan's space agency JAXA is preparing for a February 2024 liftoff. The H3 rocket is a testament to Japan's engineering prowess, embodying innovative design and cutting-edge technology. This launch aims to demonstrate Japan's commitment to space exploration and its capacity to contribute to the international community. If successful, the H3 will solidify Japan's position in the global space race, revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Stay tuned for February 2024. It promises to be a monumental event, marking another milestone in mankind's journey to the stars.